In addition, Biden's first act as the new president was to lead a moment of silence for the more than 400,000 Americans lost to this pandemic in the last year. The new administration is also vowing to distribute 100 million COVID-19 vaccine doses in the first 100 days. News 2's Alex Dennis continues our team coverage now with what that plan means for you.
Dr. James Hildreth and Dr. William Schaffner, two of Nashville's top doctors, have both played pivotal roles in the fight against COVID-19. Dr. Hildreth had a vote in approving both the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, and Dr. Schaffner serves as an advisor to the board that determines vaccine distribution.
I don't think any of us have been satisfied with how quickly the vaccine rollout took place.
Part of the delay stems from an overpromise.
The manufacturers overestimated initially how much they could produce rapidly.
The process was further slowed by the initial distribution approach taken in the U.S.
We actually decided to hold back the second dose to make sure everybody completed the series. After all, when you tell people 95% protection, that requires 2 doses, and we didn't want to mislead people.
Now a change.
The Biden administration is pushing the idea of taking all the vaccines currently available and giving as many people as possible their first shot.
Great Britain took this approach.
On reflection, we've said, maybe that works better. Even the World Health Organization has said, let's not get too picky about that second dose, but as long as you get it.
The problem with that, Hildreth says, with unreliable dose availability, people may be left waiting.
I understand the motivation of the CDC and others who are saying we should get as many shots done as possible, but what the science says is the second shot on 21 to 28 days later is critically important, and that's where the lasting immunity comes. We need to stick to that.
Both doctors believe there must be a guarantee from manufacturers, not just a reassurance that enough vaccine will be available.
That's my biggest concern, is that we find a way to acknowledge and be guided by science and not by other things. That's where the real work needs to be done, is at the national level, in my opinion.
It's unclear when the approach will change. Alex Dennis, News 2.
All right, that brings us to the News 2 poll question of the day. What do you think President Biden's top priority should be as he takes office? Ending the pandemic, working on the economy, or bringing the country together? You can head to WKRN.com to share your opinion and join in on that conversation.